Hi everybody, welcome to my home. I hope you're doing great. This is our next Fit for Fall freebie. It's all about yoga. So let's begin in standing position. Taking a nice deep cleansing breath. Bring in the oxygen, inhale up and exhale out. Oh, wonderful. Let's bring in that oxygen to every cell of the body. Bring in energy and let out any stress you may have. Just give it up. That's it. Just let it go. Wonderful. Okay, slowly bring your hands all the way up. Extend through the spine, making yourself nice and tall. And let's lean to the side. Open up through the chest. Hold it there. That's it. If you can look up and twist slightly, you'll feel the wonderful stretch in your spine. Hold it up and release. Let's go to the other side. Reach up, elongate through the back. Elongate, make it tall, lean, bend. That's it. This is so good for your spine. Your spine is your lifeline. Keep it healthy. Keep it strong. And slowly release. Come all the way down. Wonderful. Now we're going to do our sun salutations. So let's get to the top of the yoga mat. Taking a nice deep cleansing breath. Bring in the oxygen. Inhale. And slowly exhale. And as you exhale, dive forward. Dive all the way down. And inhale, lift your chest up, flat back, elongate the spine. And now slowly place your hands right there on the mat. Take a nice stretch and hold to plank. Hold the position right now. Hold it up there. And now slowly go all the way down to your knees. Come all the way up to your chest, to cobra. For those of you just starting out with yoga, just stay right here right now and lift your chest up. Hold it up, that's it. And now bring yourself all the way up. Curl your toes under. Lift up to downward facing dog. Hold that stretch. Elongate the spine by really stretching through the arms. Okay, now hold that. Take 3 deep breaths. Inhale through the nose and exhale out the nose. Good. One more deep breath. Inhale and exhale. This time I want you to inhale and just let it go through the mouth. Inhale and go ha-ha. Just let it go. Lion's breath out. And now slowly bring one leg through and lunge. Bring your legs together and come all the way up. Inhale and exhale. How'd you do? Now let's do it with a little more smooth flow. Inhale up. Exhale down. And inhale, lift, and exhale, release. And inhale, hold, and exhale, take it down to chaturanga, and inhale up, and curl your toes under, and exhale to downward facing dog. Wonderful. And now slowly lift up one leg all the way up. Hold it up there, hold it up. Bring your leg all the way through. And hold it to modified lunge, to crescent pose. Hold your body upright, hold it up there, hold it up. That's it, chest up, stretch. Bring your hands back down to the floor. Lift up to plank pose and slowly to downward facing dog. Lift the other leg up in the air, up, 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 up. One-legged dog all the way up. And now slowly let the leg go through to the hands and drop your back leg and lift up to a beautiful modified crescent pose. Hold yourself up. Doesn't that feel good? Hold up, 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 up. And now slowly place your hands right there on the mat. Bring your legs together and just release to beautiful hold position, child's pose. Relax your low spine. Relax your back, and now begin on all fours. Placing your feet a little shoulder width apart in your hips, and now lift up, chest open, inhale, and cat-cow. Now exhale, and as you exhale, blow all the air out and flatten the back and round it up, and inhale up, and exhale out. Tighten those tummies, come on, pull those abs in, and release. And now slowly lift one leg up and the opposite arm. Hold your spine nice and strong. Back is straight. Hold it right up there and pull your elbow to your knee. Tighten up the tummy and reach it back up. Again, pull in your tummy. Tighten up those abs. It's about those abs too. And exhale. Hold, hold, hold. And let's switch legs. Lift the other arm and the opposite leg. Squeeze, squeeze, tighten up your tummy. Squeeze the buttocks. Lengthen the soul, body, strength, and pull it in. And lift it back out. Inhale up. Exhale out. Crunch. That's it. Again, inhale up. And exhale out. Wonderful. And now slowly release. Inhale all the way up. And exhale out. And now slowly bring one leg through. And I really want you to relax the neck and back, stretching out the legs. Just relax your neck. Make your head heavy. Just hang down. That's it. Just release. And now slowly walk yourself in the center and to the other side. And just release. Hold that stretch for the legs. Relax your neck muscles. Let everything just hang. Release that tension. If you've worked a whole week, you want to get rid of any neck tension. That's beautiful. And now slowly walk your hands to the center. Arms out to the side, flat back, and let me see that smiling face. Raise all the way up and release. And now slowly turn your toes to a beautiful warrior. And get all the way down. Open up through the hips. That's it. And stretch through the arms. The whole body is reaching and stretching. And down here as your upper body lifts up with grace. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, warrior. Reverse the warrior. That's it. And exhale. Reach up. Reach up. Feel the stretch. Great. Oh, it feels so good. And release back down to warrior. Lift the legs, straighten it, bring your toes out and turn to the other side. And let's do a beautiful warrior. You're strong, you're lean, you can do this. Get yourself in great shape this fall. Head start right into the holiday season. You'll feel great. That's it. You can join my monthly plan, get unlimited access to all my workouts. That's it, and lift up. That's it, great. Join my wonderful community of all of our friends together. We all talk together. We help each other out. We motivate each other, support each other. That's it, stretch, stretch, and into warrior. Hold it right there. That's it. And now side angle, feeling a great stretch all the way down here. Lengthen through the spine. It's a wonderful way to open up through the chest. That's it. Feels so good. Always take deep breaths. Do the best that you can. Everyone's at a different level, and I understand that. Yes, you can do this, though. Just try it, and you are worth it. You deserve it. You deserve to feel good. And now slowly release. Straighten out both legs. Turn your toes to the other side, and a beautiful side angle pose. Reach out. Stretch it. Make it long and lean. Lengthen through the back, lengthen through your body. Great, and hold that pose, taking a deep breath. Inhale, cleanse it, inhale through the nose, and exhale right out your nose. Wonderful. And now slowly come all the way up. We're going to turn your toes inward. We're going to place our hips all the way back. And if you can, clasp your hands behind you, lift it up, close the fists together, and lean slightly forward. Feeling that great stretch. And now slowly release. Bring your hands to the floor. And let's do a rotation. Twist to the side. Twist. Abs are strong. Your back is strong. We're moving at all angles of your back. Forward bend. We're working with the twist, so you rotate through the waistline and the back. We're doing a forward bend, a back bend. You're getting it all today. Side bends. You're working your spine in every direction, every angle. And now place your hands on the floor. Elongate the spine, make it long. Stretch your arms out, and let me see that smiling face. Bring your legs together, taking a deep cleansing breath. Inhale all the way up, inhale. And exhale out, wonderful. One more deep cleansing breath together. Inhale and exhale, wonderful. I'll see you next time for our free workout. I love it. Stay fit this whole week because you are worth it. Namaste.